Slowly I'll improve more things. First here, the thing is that minimum number of zeros in upper or lower triangular matrix of order n by n. So n by n matrix is there. Suppose I am taking a matrix order n by n. Okay, n by n. So here something is there. Here also something is there, something is there, like n. Okay. Then what you have here will be there something like n. But here must be what? 0. Are you getting?
Yes.
Are you getting?
0.
This place will be 0. Got it?
Yes.
Because this will be 2. This will be more than, right? So just I am writing like this, simple, to make you understand. Then here what will be 0, 0, something. I am not able to write that something, so I am not writing something. Okay. 0, 0, 0, something. Okay, right? Like. So here in the first, how many zeros are there? 1, right? Chalo, 1 0. Here how many zeros are there?
2.
Very good. Here how many zeros are there? Can you tell me in last what, how many zeros I'll get?
n minus 1.
Yes, if I go down 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 I go, last n something will be there. Last something, one something will be there. Okay. So remain somethings are, like if I go, remain somethings are n minus 1 something. Okay.
Yes.
N minus 1 zeros, sorry. So total zeros will be, that is the maximum. Total zeros will be the maximum. So sum of natural numbers formula is what? N into n plus 1 by 2. Here how many terms are, how many are there? N minus 1. So what I get here? N minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. That means n minus 1 into n divided by 2. This is the answer. This. Okay, I wrote this matrix. A is equal to A1 0 0 0 A2 0 0 0 A3. What is this matrix? Diagonal matrix. Okay, what matrix this is? This diagonal matrix also written as like this, they will write. When I write D means diagonal matrix. Okay, D meaning is what? Diagonal matrix. So can be represented in this way also, in some text. Okay, so this, yeah, they are writing like this, diagonal A1 A2 A3, they are writing like this. Suppose you have a matrix like 5 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 1. So this matrix they are writing as diagonal 5 2 1. So the meaning of these both are same. Is it clear? In future I will explain sums. On this I will explain sums. Just I am explaining now definitions. You are comparing with another matrix. Okay, write down. Two matrices A and B are said to be comparable. Two matrices A and B are said to be comparable. Two matrices A and B are said to be comparable. Two matrices A and B are said to be comparable if they have same order. If they have same order. If they have same order. Okay, if two matrices, when they will compare? If they have same order. Okay, order same हुआ तो ही comparable होगा. Suppose A is equal to you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 and B is equal to you have X Y Z W A B. Suppose you have like this, and this order of the matrix is 2 by 3. Okay, this order of the matrix is 2 by 3. order is same. If they are same, then comparable can be happen. That comparable can be anything. Suppose if they are equal, comparison is equal. Suppose if I say comparison is equal, if two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements will be equalated. Their corresponding elements will be equalated. If two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements will be equalated. It means x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3, w is equal to 4, a is equal to 5, b is equal to 6. In detail, we will learn tomorrow. Okay, addition, multiplication, all this we will learn tomorrow.